So, galing lang namin sa Target. Bumili na naman ako ng baby tree. Ah! Ila. Yan. Ako ang bumili kasi binilhan niya na ako kaninang umaga. So, I saw them and bought 3 of them and we're gonna open them later. Ay! Oh, binilhan niya ako. He bought me one and then I bought one of the constellations. I think I spent enough money on 3 boxes already, so I held myself back. There's like 3 boxes in there and bought me another one. Thank you! Thank you! Hello guys! So, I will show you so far yung mga nabunot ko. The Baby 3 collection 12 Chinese zodiac signs that I've pulled so far. This is ano to? This is dragon. This is snake. Yan. You can move the eyes. So, and then the ox. Ito yung sa Chinese. This is the Chinese 12 zodiac signs. Sa Baby 3 in Baby 3 collection. And then the 12 ano ba to?
Zodiac.
12 constellations. Again, I'm showing you the ones I've pulled so far. This is Leo. This is Capricorn. So I bought 1 box. And so I bought 3 boxes and then my boyfriend bought bought 1 for me. Well, he just bought the yung I think dragon yung latest na na-pull niya. So we're opening everything. Let's see if maswerte. Tingnan natin. Ano siyang ano? Yan. The here. Wala namang guide eh. Just tear it off immediately. And first box, let's go with the Chinese zodiac sign.
The cow.
Oh, ito yun. It's so cute. Ang puta. And this is the goat.
The new one.
It's a new one. It's a goat.
It's a goat.
So that's the first box. It's a goat. And he already messed with the eyes. He likes messing with the eyes. Huwag to know kasi hindi ko memorize. Alright. Put them back. Alright. Second one. This is one of my only happiness. Oh. What is that?
Let me guess. I think it's the cow.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
It's not.
it's the cow.
No, don't say that.
Another cow.
Ah, you jinxed it!
Oh, it's different.
But it is the cow. It's the ox. But it has different eyes. Look, it has different eyes. Oh my god, he jinxed it.
I guess
He
it.
guessed it right, though. But it has different eyes. Is this one of the ano? No, it's not. No, it's not the surprise one. It's not the secret one.
I think it's unicorn, the secret one.
It's a unicorn. Look, it's so cute. My god, there's so many boxes. I'm keeping the cards, but I'm throwing away the boxes. Usually, if collectors pero talaga love, they keep the the boxes too. But there's so many boxes and there's no space in the house. Or in my room, to be exact. The third one. I don't know what this is. I'm not good at guessing, so let's just open it. It's the pink one!
The pig is the pig.
Ah! It's so cute! It's so big! Look at that! Ah, it's so cute! Look, it's so cute! OMG! And you can't mess with the eyes. It's a permanent one. You can't move it.
There's a pig.
It's a pig! OMG, and I've been wanting to pull the pig because it's cute! I guess there's different eyes also. Let's see. Let's see the ox. Yeah, it's supposed to be this one, but I guess they have them. Okay, this is the last one for the 12 zodiac signs, Chinese zodiac signs. Let's see. What is it? It's this snake again. But it has different eyes. See, it says Shessie. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's this snake again, but it has different eyes. It's much more cuter. Oh no, they're the same, but they have different expressions. Oh, they do have different expressions and like the eyes. It's so cute. See, they have different expressions and eyes. Let's see about the ox. The ox. No, they didn't have different expressions, but they do have like different things on their cheeks and the eyes. Oh yeah, they do have different expressions. This is more like he's like angry, cutie, and this one's just making you like cutie. All right. Okay, not bad. I mean, he was jinxing it. He was telling me, what if I pulled the same thing? And I did. I pulled the same thing.
Of course, this chance.
I don't care. I'm collecting this. They're cute. Okay, let's go with the constellations. The 12 constellations. So, let's see what's in this. I need a wall where I can put everything. He's gonna build me one. Oh my god, is it a Capricorn again? No, it's a Virgo. Is it Virgo? So cute. Is it the Virgo? Oh, Sagittarius. Look at this. Sagittarius. By the way, I'm a Sagittarius moon, guys. Ooh, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's the arrow. Look at that. It's the arrow like piercing through. Ah, it's so cute. Oh, Lindsay, you're so cute. I love this. He got me hooked up in this. He's the one who's making me spend money, and he's spending money too. So far, we pulled these babies. Oh my god, he messed with the eye already. This one. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Where's the other one? No, I took it out already. Oh, it's the other snake. It's this one. See? They're so cute. He messed with the eye. I can't carry them. And this is the last one. Take a photo. Ah, I can't carry them all. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.